Hello everyone, welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Many things they share for inside this country, Nigeria. Oh, Showere don't carry native daughter Babalawo enter inside court. My people. Una welcome back again. Abeg, if today happens to be the first time we dey come across this video, or if you dey watch me never subscribe, abeg make you use this opportunity, make you take subscribe by hitting the notification bell so that anytime we take dey upload, you will be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. As you do so, so Papa God will take dey bless you. To my returning subscriber, God bless you. I so much appreciate you guys, and to my new subscriber, may God bless you all for me in Jesus' name. Amen. My good and wonderful people, Shewere and the native daughter don't break protocol for inside the CD matter wey dey waka up and down. They say everybody must wear mask. So as Shewere go court again for Abuja, una know who be Shewere, the president of the poor, the people's choice, and the man of the people's choice, na be Oga Shewere. So all of una know, and when he vote along with President Muhammadu Buhari, but unfortunately, the people of Nigeria no recognize, and they say if he come back 10 times, 10 years time, they will recognize him. But for now, they say he no fit be their president because he too young. They like promise and faith. They like person wey they lie to them. He will tell them say na agree or they go they see black, but the man go they tell them say na red. Na that kind of people. Now them Nigeria they like. So Shewere not supposed to win the election, but he not can win because of the people no love him. They not like him. They say he too young to rule them. Or how he go you come all the way from America, consider on top for that seat. For that government seat, come to say now he can be the next president of Nigeria. They say fa. He never done. They never hear them before. Okay, welcome to the new level and the change. My people, so because of what Shewere do when Inte dey lead people for the revolution matter, come join EndSARS protest, join everything. So in they go court ever since in dey house arrest. They no let am leave the country according to as America don still plead with them, say make dem leave am, make come meet the beautiful wife and the children. Nigeria government say e no go nowhere. You remember say we dey tell small pikin say you go nowhere, pikin go cry. So now be this Shewere so Shewere come say wetin you wan do these people, make dem leave am for waste. Una know say Nigeria people they no dey fear they no dey fear God, they no dey fear pastor, they no dey fear Bible, they no dey fear Quran. The only thing wey they dey fear na be Amadioha, Ogunba, Ayelala, Asegidi, Osokpika. Now all those ones they fear, my people. Okay, wetin they call them Shango and Ogun. Now all those ones now they fear. So it to say that they give this our government this all this Ogun, Shango, all those things, and then for know how to dey rule the country now, because they give them Bible and Quran. So they feel say maybe all those ones no strong reach. They forget say na God na he creates them. So God they wash them. You understand? One thing where they continue they talk say if to say everybody no will turn to RIP for this one, if for good. Now only these bad leaders now then for only turn to RIP, my people. As earlier they talk and they go, my country people. So when I come see say this time around, the only way when you go take free from all this baba government hand now to just carry wetin never exist before. My people, as I dey talk to una so, Oga Shewere carry Babalawo go court. The first one wey I observe for them, my people, this one to make me laugh. First and foremost, the native daughter break protocol. The protocol wey he break, he no wear mask. Because if they do incantation, he no fit dey breathe again. So now make am the Oga Shewere no fit wear native daughter no fit wear mask. And the lawyer, the judge, and the police, they no fit do anything because they see everything strange about this man. They see different cowry for the past 21st century. It never happened before. Oga Shewere break protocol. In turn, that is, his name don't enter book of record, the Guinness Book of Record for 2021. So now see I say now the real man wey una need for Nigeria be this one wey go fit handle Nigeria, because when he dey come that time, he talk say all these churches, he go scream them, he go ask all the pastor all the money with for offering and tithe, donation and gift. Even go reach gift wey they give pastor chicken and goat and turkey, he go still scream. They say make they see pay tithe to the government. So now some pastor will be the support and they come withdraw hand. So as we dey talk now, the native doctor they cut with Oga Sowore, they do some incantation. I never see this kind of one before. So Sowore don't try every other means to get freedom from this Nigeria government, but they no gree. The only thing we go fit do na to scare them. You understand? So once they see this kind of something, they go scared because they fear Amadioha. They fear Ayelala well. They fear Ogbonba. So now make Sowore come say okay, the only way we go take do them na to carry this kind strange god enter court. As he even carry them enter court, no one even talk. They not even say objection overruled or objection sustained. Whether that objection, I don't know how they take the talk. I not go law school, my people, make una not laugh. So now so we see am my people. Now I say okay, make I break the news, give una say Oga Sowore don enter Guinness Book of Record for since when they take born my great grandpapa. We never hear this one say native doctor go court. So now make sure they can say okay, he reach to do one. You understand? You know say in a Yoruba people they strong well. So he don't take where in the plan of this thing, but that's plan in the sense say he want come for prison. You understand? Because you dey prison or you dey house arrest, all of them are still the same thing because you can't move an inch. But for you, instead they move around the city, but you know if you move out of the country because they still the passport. So now I say make I let una know say Oga Sowore don turn another thing for Nigeria. So we dey wait for the hearing of President Muhammadu Buhari whether he will condemn this act wey Sowore do for breaking protocol first and foremost for carrying native doctor enter inside for that is for a native doctor to go enter for a native doctor to enter court without no mask. Which fan they want give the native doctor and whether Sowore go still win this court, whether in Babalawo go work go really work out. You understand? So they don't try many other things. You understand? He don't try God. He don't fail. That is, he don't in trust. He don't fail for God. So I say he believe say God no they work again. So he don't do different things. Don't go select go afar. You understand? No different place. Now it comes to okay. The only thing we go just do and to just go meet native doctor. Okay, my people, make I put the video. Make una listen to the video. Then we'll go straight to another part 2 of this video. Okay, my country people, just wait a minute.
Nigeria has no adopted state religion. So if he decides to have a traditional, or if he decides to worship Sango or Ogun or whatever God decides to worship, and decides to have his chief priest in the court as we have him today, I think it's within his right to do so, because in Nigeria we don't have a state religion. So traditional religion is also permissible and allowed under our constitution. To very serious matters, very serious business of court today. The states commenced the proper trial today. They called the first witness who came to court to testify against the Nigerian states in a manner that is unprecedented. The trial has commenced.
Hello, my country people. As I earlier talk say part 2 day for this video, I cover this video because of wetin dey happen, but I go try upload I go put some pictures where una go take see wetin dey happen. I go put the remaining video for my Facebook page, AB Kitchen TV and Talk Show. You go there, you see the full video. I know people put for you because of Wati and a small picking. My people, I don't know waiting they do some women. Waiting some women see whether they born anyhow. When I know if you take care of your children. Or if they born two, born one. I beg Nigeria people. Because all these people now they give your children to. They wicked then. All these people now they give your picking then. They no good. Imagine this small girl. With this small pikin, who even become madam sef never even reach to bath himself or even wash his private part. Talk less of say you go come the governor or another person. I go put the woman picture make una see wetin person do person, my country people. E dey very very bad. You understand? The video e get as e be, so una no fit see am for here. Just go to my page. Abeg Nigeria mothers, born as you like, no born 10 you can't say the 10th one, the first one you go take care of the 10th one. No, all those ones are sin, my people. Those ones are sin. Born the one where you feel take care of. No, they give all these people who you feel say maybe they be human beings. They are not human beings. You understand? The woman get pikin upon no in the married to another person pikin. And if for the video now, the small pikin wey dey with her own daughter or her own pikin wey she born, e dey cry follow the little house help. Okay, wetin the girl do reach like that? Say she steal or she lick milk or she my God. The next thing this woman carry wetin they press cloth iron. Take this one in bottom parts. My people, if you now see the picture, una go swear for this woman. Now the lady be this one where you carry pikin up and down, where they carry pikin the whole up and down. Now she be this. So if they pay me say people go just get wicked heart because a person lick your baby food or he chop meat, extra meat. E no good. You don't know what go happen to you tomorrow. What go happen to your children tomorrow. You don't know. What go happen especially to you. Where your pikin go reach tomorrow, you don't know. You just did this wicked. I beg mothers, mona they born the one who not fit take care of. All those people now they give pikin to now they feel say maybe they take care of them. Nah lie. They know they take care of those children for now. They know they take care of those children. Mona do family planning. Mona do family planning. Start to the bonbon. It's too much. China now they say now one. Now they agree make they because the society is full of nuisance and everything. Okay, you pikin na 1 year you know go see am, 2 years you know go see am. It dey very very bad. Make una no dey carry pikin dey give anybody anybody wey you come for Lagos, Benin, Onitsha or Imo State. No, their heart too wicked. Bible describe them say the heart of a man is desperately wicked and evil. Not me say na only man, both women. Imagine because of say person chop your baby food or eat thief meat. He carry one meat under put for under pandemic or eba. You can't carry pressy onion. Take this one in bonbon for her. They go do your own pikin. If you as a mother, if they can't tell you say see what happen to your pikin, you go how you go feel? How will you feel? That's wickedness. That's wickedness. My people, make una stop to dey carry una children they put for house help. It not good. It's not good, Nigeria people. Imagine this 12 years old pikin or 10 years old pikin where they pass this through trauma. She no go fit sit down for more than how many years? She no go fit sit down and bonbon and breast na very light place. I beg, make una no dey put una children for house help again. It not fair. It not good. It not fair, it not good. My people, I beg. Because what I see for this video, and the woman they say they ask a question, she still get the guts to still they talk, say iron and she put. She get very, very bad. That's wickedness. My people, I go put the video, make una listen to her again. I go cover her, make una hear from the woman man. What she say to do this more picky. No problem, my people. I beg, make una put this matter, put her for ear. Make una not give una pikin to them again. I beg. This thing dey very, very painful. And now police don't arrest the woman now. God bless you all. Bye for now.
Let me see the.
What is it?
Which ball? That's what I'm saying. I said, let me see where they pour the. Is it here? What did you use, madam? Ayo. Let me see. Don't be ashamed of me, sir, please. You say you wanted to take her to hospital. Which hospital?
This that hospital.
Why can't you take her to either staff hospital or... Let's go to hospital. I think she has been around since yesterday.
Okay.
This thing happened when? When did this thing happen? On Monday. Monday, Tuesday, today is Thursday.
We've been using this thing.
You start taking her to hospital.
No, I took her to this pharmacy.
Okay. Pharmacy. Sorry, no try. Let's go to the office.